Everyone thinks the best-selling motorcycle Carplay and Android Auto screens are the top choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, 1VON 5-inch screen. Let's start with the 1VON 5-inch motorcycle Carplay GPS navigation system. At just $59.72, this screen caught my attention with its promise of a fully connected riding experience. If you're after hands-free navigation and music while on the road, this is worth a serious look. The 5-inch IPS display offers a resolution of 854 x 480, ensuring you can still see clearly even in bright sunlight. With its rugged, waterproof design rated IP67, it can handle rain and dirt, keeping you connected no matter the weather. Now, some users have mentioned that the resolution could be higher, especially for detailed navigation. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for music and voice commands, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-install option that works well for urban riding and short trips. Skip this one if you need something for more complex navigation tasks or advanced features. For the price, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious riders. Now, if the display resolution of the 1VON bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for those who prioritize quality. Product number 2, YZW GPS CarPlay. Next up is the YZW GPS CarPlay 5-inch screen, priced at $61.39. This screen promises a seamless user experience with its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, making it a strong contender. If you want a responsive system that connects quickly, this one deserves your attention. Plus, the IP67 waterproof rating ensures that it will keep working even in harsh weather conditions. With a user-friendly interface and the ability to control everything via voice commands, it really focuses on keeping your ride safe. However, some buyers noted that they had a bit of trouble with the initial Bluetooth connection. Here's the thing though, once set up, it operates smoothly, which is what really matters for safety while riding. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable system that's easy to install across various motorcycle types. Skip this one if you're looking for larger screen real estate or advanced GPS features. Overall, it provides great value for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extensive features. Product number 3, Fuyuada's wireless motorcycle screen. The Fuyuada's wireless motorcycle Apple CarPlay is next, priced at $101.36. What caught my eye about this model is its promise of high-quality visuals and ease of use. If you're serious about getting a feature-rich system, this one is worth checking out. The Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity brings stable performance without any lag, which is crucial for navigation while riding. Plus, the voice control feature lets you access essential functions without distraction. Yet a couple of users mentioned that the setup process could be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get past that, the performance is impressive, making it a worthy investment for serious riders. Skip this if you need a simple plug-and-play solution or if you're not comfortable with some initial setup. For the features, the price is quite justifiable. Now, if the setup concerns of the Fuyuada's screen are a deal-breaker for you, wait until you hear about the next product. Product number 4, LBW 6-inch CarPlay. Next up is the LBW6 portable motorcycle CarPlay GPS, priced at $240.75. This one really caught my attention because it not only offers CarPlay and Android Auto but also features a dual dash cam. If you're looking for a multifunctional device, you might want to take a closer look. The 1000 nits brightness ensures you won't struggle to see the screen in bright sunlight. The built-in dual cameras capture 1080p video, providing peace of mind on the road by recording your rides. Plus, the IP67 rating means you can ride through rain or shine without worry. However, it is on the pricier side, and some users have commented about the complexity of its features. But I'll be real with you, if you value having a camera alongside your navigation, the investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for anyone who wants advanced features like recording and navigation in one place. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't need the camera functionality. For what it offers, the price reflects its capability. Now, if the price of the LBW was a concern for you, the last product on my list might just be the most balanced option. Product number 5, Mach 61 Motorcycle Carplay. The last product is the Mach 61 Motorcycle CarPlay HD touchscreen, priced at $177.28. This model piqued my interest because of its balance between features and cost. If you want a solid option that doesn't break the bank, keep listening. You can connect multiple devices thanks to its dual Bluetooth feature, ensuring stable connectivity for music and navigation prompts. Plus, its TPMS functionality keeps you informed about tire pressure in real time, which is a critical safety feature. However, some users pointed out that the installation might take a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing though, this extra time can often lead to a better setup and a more secure fit, making the effort worth it. This is perfect for riders who want a dependable and feature-rich screen at a reasonable price. Skip this if you prefer something super easy to set up right out of the box. For the price, the value here is impressive. So there you have it. The One Von is great for budget-conscious riders, YZW offers a solid user experience, Fiyuatas brings top-notch features, the LBW stands out with its dual dash cam, and the Mach 61 balances quality and price. Each has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making a decision. Happy riding!